What's up everyone? JP here with Oracle Lighting, and today we're going to be showing you how to install the all-new LED flush taillights to the 2021 and up Ford F-150. We're going to show you how to do the install from start to finish, as well as changing over the bliss sensors if you have those equipped. Let's get started. Alright, so first we need to remove the factory taillight. We're going to do that by taking out these two 8mm screws. Next we're going to pull the taillight out sideways to release this clip, and then we'll release the two body clips along the edge. Next we're going to unplug the taillight and we're going to bring it over to our bench. Alright, so today we're working on an LED equipped F-150 that has the bliss sensors. If you don't have the bliss sensors, you can skip this step, but we need to disassemble this headlight and we need to transfer the bliss sensor over to the Oracle taillight. We're going to do that by removing these 4 T20 screws. And we're going to take a screwdriver or some kind of tool, and we're just going to do a little bit of prying here to loosen the cover. And then we're going to flip it over. So this is the sensor. You'll see that there's 2 clips here holding it in. We're going to depress these 2 clips. And then we're going to slide the sensor out, unplug it, then we'll put the factory taillight off to the side. Alright, so before we install the sensor into the Oracle taillight, we need to remove these 2 Phillips screws, and then we're going to pull this retainer off, set that to the side. We're going to take our sensor. The white face is going to point into the taillight. We're going to insert these 2 tabs, and then we're going to insert the other 2 tabs in the grooves like this. Then we're going to put our retainer back on, and we're going to tighten down those 2 Phillips screws. Alright, so now that we've tightened down our retainer, we just need to plug in the main connector to the bliss sensor, lock that down. And since we have an LED equipped F-150, we're going to unplug this resistor. We don't need it. Next, we also need to plug in this included adapter since we are working with an LED equipped F-150. Now we're going to take the taillight over to the truck. Alright, so now we're going to plug in the new Oracle taillight harness with the adapter. And now, first we're going to line up our 2 edge pins and then make sure that our other guide on the opposite side is in place. Now all that's left to do is put our 8mm screws back in. And now you're just going to want to repeat the exact same steps on the passenger side. So if you want to grab a set of these taillights and a ton of other awesome products for your Ford F-150, visit oraclelights.com.